Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look. So if you want to achieve this look too, stay tuned to see how to do it. So first things first, let's get into the hair. Where did I get this hair from? Yolissa. This is all the goodies that were in the box, which I love when they give me goodies, y'all. It also had a cute little Yolissa silk bag with all their Instagram and social media handles. So let's get into this wig. It is a water wave 5x5 HD lace wig. This is what the curls are giving. I did wash this hair and I only used hair conditioner. I don't use shampoo on the actual hair itself. And this is what the curls are giving after it dried. It is already bleached, already plucked, everything. You just have to put the wig on and cut the lace. I also want to add that the length of the hair is 24 inches. So what I'm doing right now is just showing you guys what the lace looks like. As you can see, it is bleached, which I think they did a really good job of bleaching the knots. I also wanted to show you guys the lace itself. It is an HD lace wig, and as you can see, the lace is very thin and seamless, which that's how HD lace is supposed to look like. If it ain't seamless and it ain't thin, then that's not HD lace. They playing with you. So now what I'm doing is putting the adjustable band on the wig, because what is a glueless wig without the adjustable band? The adjustable band is literally needed for a glueless look. I get that band really tight and then I put it over my head and I just adjust it as it's sitting on my head. Okay, so now it's time to really slay this wig, but I need to get that part to be a middle part, not a schmiddle part. And then I go in with my hot comb. You need your hot comb if you want that flat. And I said this before, I'll forever say it. Get you a hot comb if you wear wigs. Okay, so now it's time to cut the lace. I'm using scissors and I'm cutting the lace in a zigzag motion so that the lace can blend in perfectly. If there's excess lace, I just go in and snip it off. After we're done with that, I'm going to use some mousse. I'm adding the mousse on the lace so that the lace is laid, okay? I love using mousse when I don't want to put gel or hairspray on my hair. It works really well. I won't say it works just as good, but it works really well and it helps the wig stay on longer and blend in better. So now I just find where I want to put my baby hairs and just kind of just brush out the hairs that I want to create baby hairs with and cut it in a slant direction. And then I swoop the edges until I get the desired look that I want. So when I'm doing my baby hairs, it's very important that when you kind of like brush it out like this, it's not hitting your eyebrows, because then it just looks weird. So when I brush it out, I see it's hitting my eyebrows. As you can see, I just cut it shorter so that way it's not like literally just like looking like the baby hairs are sitting on my brows, because you do not want that look. It does not look good at all. Okay, so I'm gonna add the band so that my lace can melt, and then I'm going to style the hair. I love curly hair because it's just easy to style. What I'm doing right now is just spraying it with some water and brushing through the curls with my fingers so that the curls really pop out. So one con I noticed about this hair is the shedding. As you can see, some of the hair shedded on my hands as I was brushing through it. I will say the hair really did shed a lot more when I had washed the hair when I got it out the box. So I do want to just be honest and let you guys know that the hair does have shedding. When I'm done doing that, I'm gonna take the band out and let's see. Okay, it's melted. It works every time. You cannot tell me that you see any lace on this hair. So I'm going back in with the hot comb to get my hair to lay a little bit more flat. If you want that flat, hot comb, hot comb, hot comb. Okay, and that is it. This is the final look. It didn't take me long. This hairstyle literally took me like 10 minutes to do, and it's super easy, super quick. The install was effortless. The knots were already bleached. The hair is just bomb. Like, it's gorgeous. I love the curls. The only con, like I said, is the shedding, which I did not like. But other than that, the hair is really beautiful. Another thing I like about this hair is that it's really full. The curls are luscious and the hair is shiny, and it's just an easy everyday wig that you can quickly put on and wear and go. So that is the end of the video. If you like this video, definitely hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel to see more. If you want to purchase this hair, the link is in the description box below. I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.